to Cody Rhodes and Jimmy Uso. Yeah, that's near the exit.
Look at you now. Look at you now. 2 weeks. Look at this. Look at this. Anything. The Rock's got your attention now, doesn't he? Look at this. Look at this. Get up, boy! How about this? How about this? Gonna be a hero? The Rock's got your hero. Hero! World! Look at your hero! The Rock's got a special gift for you, Mama Rose. He's got a... Look at you now. Look at you now. Look at you now. Why The Rock is the final boss? Did you think for one single solid by a long shot? Because at the end of the day, to all you cooks, but it is like this now. It's because of him. The prophecy has come true. Look at you. Look at you. Now, Mama Rose, word. He said he's gonna put your son's blood on this belt. Get in here close, cameraman. Get in here close. Hey, put your head. There's your blood. Look at that. There it is. See us at the end of the day. Mama Rose, I want you to look at me. This is gonna happen to your son. Your son's blood. About hard times. He doesn't know about hard times. But about hard times. For life. The Rock. Look at your son, Mama Rose. Look at your son.